Today on the menu we have some brown stew beef. Yes, nice and beautiful chunk of beef here. I'm gonna cut that up into stew size and I'm gonna make some stew beef. But first, I am going to introduce you to the ingredients I have to make this stew beef so you can make your own at home. Let's start off with the powder seasoning. We have some Caribbean oxtail seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, some salt, some complete seasoning, some black pepper, browning, and over on the green season side, bell pepper. We have some hot pepper, some tomato, carrot, scallion. We have a tiny piece of garlic. We have onion and we have some thyme. So here we go. I don't want the skin in there. So the first thing I'm gonna do is try to cut off the skin. This is looking wonderful. So you're gonna go ahead and make sure you cut this against the grain. Like that. See that? When you cut that against the grain, you cut that like that again. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut all of it just like that against the grain. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just cut these into chunks. In a nice clean bowl, and this is what it looked like. First thing I'm gonna go in is with my oxtail seasoning. This is gonna take about 1 tablespoon. Want it to taste good, so you wanna give it good seasoning. All-purpose seasoning. I give it about 3/4 of a tablespoon. The complete seasoning, about a tablespoon. Salt, just a little tips. The black pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Remember guys, I sprinkle with love, so I know what I'm doing. The browning, I'm gonna tip in about 1/2 teaspoon of browning. And then from here, all I'm gonna do is just go in and start the mixing process. There's a couple ways you can do this. You can also make some green seasoning. Today I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna go it straight, season it up with powder seasoning and start create my dish. Now in the meantime, I'm setting on my pot to get ready so I can start dropping these. But this is it guys, look at that. Yes guys, I can smell the aroma. This is well seasoned. I can tell you this is gonna turn out to be awesome. Ready to get dumped in that pot. Let's go. So here I have my pot on the fire with some oil getting heated. We're gonna test it out. Yes. So I think it is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and just dump in these. So after dumping them in, you're gonna make sure you give them a spin in the pot so everything will get a touch of the heat. We're gonna go ahead and just cover the pot and leave that so it can, probably spring a little bit of water by itself and create some body before we add the green seasoning. So we're gonna give this like about 25 minutes by itself so we can tenderize that beef, and then we're gonna go in with the green seasoning, add a little bit of water and cook it from there. So guys, that's the process. Tune in. Always keep checking. Look at that. Wow. Look how beautiful that's coming up. Look how much water that spring. Now that can get to tenderize by itself. Beautiful, beautiful. So all I'm gonna do is just give that some time so it can just cook and be tenderized. Yeah, and before I forget, I have some potatoes. Gonna drop these potatoes in there. Give it that little extra spice up taste, you know what I mean? My beef kind of sound like it's simmering down. Let's see. Wow. Look at that. Yeah. Beef stew. Yeah, man, the Caribbean way. Look at that. Just that smell alone. Feel like you could have eat already, you know? Yeah. Amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and add a cup of water. Cause we really have to get that beef tenderized. We don't want to be eating and the beef is tough. So we're gonna give that like about 10 more minutes of boiling and then we get back to that. My pot is on the fire. My beef is going for about 25 minutes now. Now I'm gonna take a look into it. Let's check. It's looking like it's simmering. So we're gonna go ahead and add all of this. Very easy and simple. Now I'm gonna wash out all that with a little bit of water and give it about 30 minutes on the fire. That should be good. Yeah man, at the moment right now, as you can see, coming to a boil. Yeah man, meat is getting tenderized. So we're just gonna leave that for about 35 minutes and then we get back to it. See you soon. It's time to check out my stew beef. We're gonna see what this stew beef look like forward. Just look at that. Just look how beautiful and simmery that look. And just start stir up that. Wow. Yeah. That is looking wonderful. That is what we're looking for. Stew beef. I'm gonna taste it and see how tender the beef is, if it is ready to eat. This is how I taste my beef. Really tender, soft. So that is it, guys. This is what we're really looking for. Nice and tender, could never been better. Welcome to my favorite part of the show. Yeah man, this is the part I love, you know. Brown stew beef. The beef is so soft and tender. All that flavor, got a little spice in there. Not too much, but right there. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel now. I am gonna go eat some brown stew beef. Catch you next time.